spectacular pet-friendly 1-bedroom/1-bathroom unit in the highly desirable area in the heart of Coconut Grove. Brand new everything. Immaculate porcelain tile floors in bedroom, tile floor throughout rest of apt, washer and dryer, refrigerator, microwave, oven, stove, etc. Open and spacious floor plan with plenty of natural light throughout. Fenced complex with secured on-site parking. Walk to CocoWalk, shops, restaurants, and much more. Dog park 2 blocks away. Available immediately. Call today.